Tool. An object or device used to carry out a particular function. He used a hammer as a tool to build the table. The mechanic has many tools in his workshop. A screwdriver is a simple tool for fixing things. She used a brush as a tool to paint the wall. The internet is a powerful tool for learning.